Urban alchemy, the transformative process of turning rusty metal scraps into stunning sculptural mini table shelves, offers a unique fusion of durability and beauty that redefines the inherent value of discarded materials. In today's world, where sustainability is more than just a buzzword, the art of converting urban refuse into functional decor serves not only as a statement of environmental consciousness, but also as a celebration of craftsmanship and creativity. The journey from forgotten scraps to elegant pieces of eco-luxury home decor is a testimony to the artistic potential residing within industrial remnants, revealing how even the most unassuming materials can be meticulously cleaned, shaped, and polished into striking works of art that enrich our living spaces and tell compelling stories. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The process typically begins with sourcing the metal scraps, a venture that can be both adventurous and rewarding. Urban environments are teeming with possibilities. Old buildings, factories, and machinery often yield various metal components that have lost their original purpose, but retain a unique charm. Rust, patina, and the wear of time add character to these materials, allowing artisans to see beyond their deteriorated state and envision the exquisite pieces they can become. This initial stage is centered around the notion of rediscovery, where the artist's eye can spot potential in locations often overlooked by others. Each piece of scrap carries a distinct history, evoking narratives about the industrial past that artisans seek to honor through their work. Once the metal has been sourced, the real transformation begins. The process involves a careful assessment of each piece's condition and potential. Many scraps require cleaning to remove accumulated dirt, old coatings, and rust, revealing the true essence of the metal beneath. This stage can be labor-intensive yet profoundly rewarding, as artisans engage with the material, understanding its texture and contour. Tools such as grinders, sanders, and brushes become essential instruments in this journey of refinement, allowing craftsmen to sculpt and polish the metal into forms that reflect both functionality and aesthetic appeal. By addressing the surface imperfections and imperfections created by time, artisans not only restore the materials, but also prepare them for their new life as part of an exquisite design. The design phase plays an integral role in this transformative process, as artisans gather inspiration from the scraps themselves, allowing the material to guide their creativity. The inherent shapes and forms of the metal often suggest the direction a piece should take, lending itself to organic designs that evoke a sense of flow and movement. The vision for the final product may manifest as a sculptural mini table shelf, which marries functionality with artistic expression. This compelling interplay of art and utility allows these shelves to serve as both everyday objects and striking conversation pieces, beautifying interior spaces with their unique energy and character. Integrating various pieces into a cohesive shelf structure requires skillful craftsmanship and innovative thinking. Artisans consider not only the beauty of each component, but also how they can work together to create a functional whole, introducing new elements such as fasteners, brackets, or supports when necessary. The process is akin to assembling a puzzle. Each piece is carefully positioned to enhance the overall design while ensuring stability and durability. Artisans often find themselves experimenting with different arrangements, recognizing that the way each scrap interacts with the others can ultimately define the piece's success. The aesthetic outcome of these sculptural mini table shelves is astonishing. Through the alchemical process, rustic materials are transformed into elegant and eye-catching designs that possess both visual and tactile appeal. The contrast between the rawness of aged metal and the refined curves or lines of the finished shelf results in a harmonious blend of industrial and modern elements. When polished, the metal gleams, showcasing not only its form, but also the skill and dedication invested in its transformation. This juxtaposition invites viewers to consider the duality of beauty and function, establishing a new narrative for what materials can be. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Moreover, these unique table shelves tell a story that resonates with consumers who seek meaningful connections with the objects in their homes. Each piece serves as a testament to the history of the materials, whispering tales of their previous lives while taking on a new identity. Urban alchemy transcends mere decor. It offers an experience that encourages customers to appreciate the journey of each item, from discarded scrap to a vibrant, functional piece of art. In this way, they aren't just purchasing a shelf, they are acquiring a narrative rooted in sustainability, craftsmanship, and human ingenuity. The market for these sculptural mini table shelves is growing, appealing to an audience that finds value in eco-luxury items that reflect their commitment to sustainability. Individuals are increasingly drawn to home decor that aligns with their values, seeking pieces that embody not only artistic vision, but also social and environmental responsibility. Each shelf resonates with consumers looking to invest in ethically sourced, distinctive art that enhances their spaces while promoting an ecosystem of reusability and creativity. The storytelling aspect becomes an essential marketing tool, allowing artisans to articulate the journey of transformation that each piece embodies, instilling a sense of pride and connection in its new owner. As artisans continue to explore the realm of urban alchemy, the potential for innovative designs remains boundless. The beauty of working with metal scraps lies in the endless possibilities they offer. No two pieces are alike, and each transformation introduces an array of creative outcomes. Artisans can experiment with shapes, finishes, and combinations of materials that extend beyond metal, incorporating wood, glass, or even fabric elements to create multidimensional designs. This versatility invites a constant evolution in the patterns of creativity, pushing artisans to rethink traditional design boundaries and reimagine what functional art can be. Additionally, urban alchemy fosters a sense of community among artisans who share a passion for sustainability and creativity. As artists engage in workshops, collaborate on projects, or share their processes online, they contribute to a vibrant culture that celebrates resourcefulness and innovation. This collaborative spirit not only strengthens individual artistry, but also encourages others to view discarded materials through a different lens, fostering awareness around upcycling practices in their communities. Together, they amplify the message that beauty can be found in what society often considers waste, inviting a collective embrace of the artistic potential within industrial refuse. In the journey of transforming rusty metal scraps into stunning sculptural mini table shelves exemplifies the remarkable outcome of urban alchemy. Through meticulous craftsmanship and a passionate commitment to sustainability, artisans redefine the inherent value of discarded materials, creating functional art that resonates with the narratives of both past and present. The interaction between durability and beauty, coupled with the storytelling potential inherent in each piece, speaks to a broader movement toward mindful consumption and creativity. These sculptural shelves not only enhance interior spaces, but also celebrate the artistry that lies within industrial refuse, inviting us all to recognize the extraordinary potential within the ordinary and fostering a deeper connection to the world around us. As consumers increasingly seek items that reflect authenticity and meaning, the alchemy of turning metal scraps into art embodies a future where creativity and sustainability can thrive hand in hand, enriching lives with their profound beauty and purpose. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.